The vast, desolate landscape stretched out under a blazing sun. The canyon, with its rugged terrain and harsh environment, seemed almost otherworldly. The sun's rays beat down mercilessly, casting long shadows that danced across the rocky surface. It was a place where time seemed to stand still, where the silence was so profound that it felt almost tangible. The air was thick with the scent of dust and dry earth, a reminder of the relentless forces of nature that had shaped this land over millennia. A lone drone, a silent sentinel of technology, hovered on the edge of a deep, shadowy canyon. Its sleek, metallic body glinted in the sunlight as it prepared to embark on its mission. The drone's operators, miles away in a control room, watched intently as the machine began its descent. They had spent months planning this expedition, meticulously mapping out every detail. The drone was equipped with the latest in mapping technology, capable of capturing high-resolution images and data from the most inaccessible places. Its mission to map the uncharted depths of this remote, forbidding chasm. The canyon's walls were steep and treacherous, with jagged rocks jutting out at odd angles. As the drone navigated its way through the narrow passages, it sent back a constant stream of data to its operators. Every twist and turn was carefully documented, creating a detailed map of the canyon's interior. The operators marveled at the drone's ability to maneuver through such a challenging environment, its sensors and cameras capturing every detail with precision. Little did its operators know, it was about to stumble upon a discovery that would send chills down their spines. As the drone ventured deeper into the canyon, it picked up a series of strange readings. The data was unlike anything the operators had seen before, a series of anomalies that defied explanation. They watched in awe as the drone's cameras revealed a hidden chamber, its walls covered in ancient symbols and markings. The discovery was both thrilling and unsettling, a glimpse into a past that had long been forgotten. The canyon, a jagged scar on the face of the earth, had long been shrouded in mystery and local lore. For generations, the people of the nearby villages had spoken of strange occurrences in the canyon. They told stories of ghostly apparitions, eerie lights that danced in the night, and whispers that seemed to come from the very rocks themselves. The canyon was a place of fear and fascination, a place where the line between reality and legend was blurred. Whispers of strange lights, unexplained sounds, and ancient secrets echoed through the nearby villages. The elders spoke of a time when the canyon was a sacred place, a site of rituals and ceremonies. They believed that the spirits of their ancestors still lingered in the shadows, watching over the land. The discovery of the hidden chamber seemed to confirm these old tales, a tangible link to a past that was both mysterious and profound. This mission was about more than just mapping terrain. It was about piercing the veil of the unknown. The drone's journey into the canyon was a journey into the heart of mystery itself, a quest to uncover the secrets that had been hidden for centuries. As the drone continued its exploration, the operators knew that they were on the brink of a major discovery. The canyon, with all its dangers and enigmas, was slowly revealing its secrets, one layer at a time. The drone, a marvel of engineering, dipped and soared through the canyon with effortless grace. Its sleek design and advanced technology allowed it to navigate the narrow passages and sharp turns with ease, almost as if it were a living creature exploring its natural habitat. The canyon, with its rugged terrain and towering walls, presented a challenge that the drone met with unwavering precision and agility. Its cameras, recording every nook and cranny, captured the raw, untamed beauty of the place. The high-definition footage revealed intricate details of the canyon walls, showcasing the layers of rock that told a story of millions of years of geological history. Every crevice, every shadow, was meticulously documented, creating a visual tapestry that was both mesmerizing and humbling. Towering cliffs, etched with millennia of wind and rain, cast long, ominous shadows. These natural sculptures, carved by the relentless forces of nature, stood as silent sentinels, guarding the secrets of the canyon. The play of light and shadow added a dramatic flair to the landscape, making it appear both majestic and foreboding. The air, thick with the silence of ages, hummed with an almost palpable energy. It was as if the very essence of the canyon was alive, whispering ancient tales to those who dared to listen. The stillness was profound, broken only by the occasional rustle of wind or the distant call of a bird, adding to the eerie atmosphere. The deeper the drone went, the more oppressive the atmosphere became. The walls seemed to close in, and the light grew dimmer, casting the canyon in an almost otherworldly glow. The sense of isolation intensified, as if the drone was venturing into a realm untouched by time, where the past and present coexisted in a delicate balance. The sunlight, struggling to penetrate the depths, painted the canyon floor in shades of twilight. The interplay of light and shadow created a surreal landscape, where the familiar became strange and the ordinary extraordinary. The canyon floor, bathed in a soft, ethereal glow, seemed to hold its breath, waiting for the next chapter of its story to unfold. A sense of isolation, of being watched, settled upon the drone operators, hundreds of miles away. Despite the distance, they felt a deep connection to the canyon, as if they were part of its timeless narrative. The footage they captured was not just a record of a place, but a testament to the enduring power of nature and the human spirit's unending quest for discovery. The drone, following its pre-programmed route, navigated a particularly narrow passage. The canyon walls here were close enough to touch, adorned with ancient petroglyphs that seemed to writhe in the flickering light. The drone's sensors picked up a faint rhythmic hum, seemingly emanating from the canyon walls themselves. Suddenly, the drone's camera feed glitched. Static filled the screens, followed by a moment of chilling silence. Then an image, blurry at first, but quickly resolving into something clear and undeniable. There, nestled on a ledge, partially obscured by shadows, lay a circle of stones. But these were no ordinary stones. They were arranged in an intricate pattern, too precise, too deliberate to be natural. And at the center of this ancient formation lay something that made the blood run cold. A skeletal figure, draped in what appeared to be tattered robes, lay within the circle. The skull, tilted at an unnatural angle, seemed to stare directly at the drone's camera. The effect was both eerie and mesmerizing. Murmurs of the past, expert opinions. The discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Archaeologists, anthropologists, and historians were baffled. The location was too remote, the formation too strange, the skeletal remains too well preserved to fit into any known historical context. Theories abounded. Some whispered of ancient rituals, of forgotten gods and sacrifices. Others speculated about extraterrestrial contact, pointing to the unusual arrangement of the stones and the strange energy readings from the drone. The enigma deepens, unanswered questions. The more experts studied the images, the more questions arose. Who were these people? What was the purpose of the circle and the skeletal figure within? And why was this site, hidden in the depths of this remote canyon, so meticulously arranged? The artifact clutched in the skeletal figure's hand only deepened the mystery. Made of an unknown material, it emitted a faint pulsating light, as if echoing the rhythmic hum picked up by the drone's sensors. Whispers in the wind, speculations and theories. The canyon, once silent, now echoed with the murmurings of speculation. Theories, ranging from the plausible to the outlandish, circulated like wildfire. Some spoke of a lost civilization, more advanced than our own, wiped out by some unknown cataclysm. Others whispered of portals, of gateways to other dimensions, and of the skeletal figure as a guardian, forever bound to its post. The line between science and speculation blurred as the evidence defied explanation. Conclusion. The canyon holds its secrets close. The canyon, with its towering walls and deep crevices, has always been a place of mystery and wonder. Its vast expanse stretches out like a natural fortress, guarding secrets that have been buried for millennia. As the sun sets, casting long shadows over the rugged terrain, one can't help but feel a sense of awe and reverence for this ancient landscape. The drone, its mission complete, returned to base, leaving behind a silence as profound as the mystery it had unearthed. The technology we use today allows us to explore these hidden corners of the world, revealing glimpses of the past that were once thought lost forever. Yet even with all our advancements, the canyon remains an enigma, its true nature just out of reach. The discovery in the canyon challenged everything we thought we knew about our past, our present, and perhaps even our future. Ancient artifacts, geological formations, and unexplained phenomena all point to a history that is far more complex and intertwined than we ever imagined. Each new finding adds another piece to the puzzle, yet the complete picture remains tantalizingly elusive. For now, the answers remain elusive, locked away in the heart of the canyon. The shadows that dance along its walls seem to whisper secrets of civilizations long gone, of events that shaped the very earth beneath our feet. It's a reminder that there is still so much we don't know, so much left to discover. The whispers in the wind continue, a constant reminder that there are still wonders in this world that defy explanation, secrets waiting to be uncovered. As we stand on the brink of new discoveries, we are reminded of the importance of preserving these natural wonders. The canyon holds its secrets close, but with each passing day, we come one step closer to unlocking its mysteries. Until then, we listen to the wind, we study the shadows, and we remain ever curious, ever hopeful, that one day, the canyon will reveal its truths. A final thought. As we stand on the precipice of the unknown, peering into the depths of time and space, one thing is certain. The universe is full of mysteries, and we are only just beginning to scratch the surface. The drone's discovery is a stark reminder that the more we learn, the more we realize how much we don't know.